State asida tungkoigadaba urban area semgatnabagi pandamda Institute of Town Planners India ge Northeast Journal Conference pangthokre. Conference adu Imphal gi Chingmairong da leiba Classic Grande da strengthening regulatory compliance and sustainable urban development, prioritizing non-motorized transport, walking and cycling amasung urban resilience to climate extremes, mitigation and adaptation strategies haiba hiramda ahenba meeting thamduna pangthokibane. Conference asida town planner, policy maker amade academician sing punsinduna tungkoina chatpangamgadaba chaukhatpa urban area semgatnabagi matangda wakhalon sin puthoknaduna khananai nakhe thoramadda sarukyakiba mahutki principal secretary RK Dineshna Imphal Valley ase Tengkot kumba mafam oibana chahi khudingi urban area da ising ichau gi awaba thengnari ising ichau hanjin thokpa asina mioibagi punsi yauna sanga amadi lanthum kaya manghan takhalle asiguma khudong thiba asi makha tana thoktanaba amadi tungkoina chatpa ngamba urban area ama ohennaba policy maker amadi town planner singna matamga chunaba mawongda hotnaba mathau tai loinana conference asina piriba khudong chaba asi aremba taroi haibage thajabasu fongdokhe.
So it is up to us, the urban planners, town planners, policy makers, to make sure that our citizens in our state, in other states, so to help them experience or make them get a life which is sustainable, resilient, clean, free of pollutants, or in short, a quality life. Now, urban development has always been a very critical issue. It's like this: today we clean the area in the morning, tomorrow in the evening it gets dirtied again. It's a never-ending story.